Good morning everyone out there in YouTube land. My name is Jared and this is my channel Mazda B3K. This is going to be another 5-minute fix video where we are going to replace the lift struts on the trunk of my 2010 Ford Fusion named Jadzia. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first issue that you're going to see here, or really the only issue, is when you pop this trunk, it should come up a couple of inches when you pop it, and if I pop it right now, you're going to see that it really won't lift. So as you can see, it's loose. Lift it up and it'll hold, but it's not quite doing what it's supposed to do because the lift struts are worn out. So we're going to go ahead and replace those. So the way that these come on and off is there's a metal band, and you can wiggle it loose. Don't take it all the way off. It's kind of a pain to get back on, but you can take it loose and then pop the arm off. There's two ends, one up here, and then there's another end you can't see, the other end of the arm that's at the base of the vehicle, not attached to the actual lid. So we're just going to go ahead and pop this loose, and then I've got the replacement parts on hand. So just kind of get in there, get it loose, and then off it comes. And you're going to want to do this one at a time, obviously, because you don't want the lid to fall on your face. Alright, here's the original lift strut. It's off. Here is our replacement. It's the same basic design. It has a clip. You can spin it around to make sure that you line up correctly. One other thing to show, well, actually you can see it here. These mount onto a ball, so you just kind of pop it on, pop it off. That's how it works. So let me go ahead and get this on. You're going to want the, if I remember correctly, it was set up like this. So you want the actual cylinder up at the top and then the arm extended down to the bottom. So same deal. Get in and lift this clip. This one is pretty stiff. This one's going to be kind of irritating. Okay, got it loose. Now, one thing I have learned is you may have to push back on your lid slightly to get the other side of the arm to actually drop onto its ball mount, and that's what we're going to have to do here. Alright, so this one was a really tight fit. I did have to push back on the trunk lid, and I just barely managed to sneak it on, but this new lift strut is now in place. We're going to do that on the other side. I haven't called out a part because these were Chinesium struts that I picked up on Amazon, so I can't even pronounce the brand name. I couldn't find anything that was name brand at any of my local parts stores or anything, so these, I don't expect these to last terribly long. We'll see what they do. I don't view this as critical as, say, like hood lift struts like on my truck. So we'll just go ahead and swap them out and then we'll see what it does. Let's take care of the other side. Okay, got the other side replaced. One thing I had forgotten to note is these Chinesium cylinders are pretty cheap. They actually screw on here. So the fight I may have had over here was because this was slightly unscrewed. So it was a hair longer than it should have been. I'm not sure, but this side did not fight me near as hard going in. So let's see what this does. It's definitely fighting me more on the way down. All right. So trunk is now closed. And do I have a trunk pop button? Let's see here. It looks like I do. Yeah. So you notice this time we actually did get some gap here, and then we just a little bit, boom. It's a beautiful thing. I will call this good repair. Alrighty folks, that's going to do it for this 5-minute fix where we just swapped out the lift supports on the trunk of my 2010 Ford Fusion nicknamed Jadzia. So if you enjoyed this video, if it was educational, if you found it entertaining, please consider like, sharing, and subscribing. That does help to grow the channel and helps me to bring more content to you like this. Also, if you have a comment, leave a comment. I enjoy reading them, I enjoy replying to them, and I enjoy learning from them. And remember guys, I make mistakes so that you don't have to. I'll catch you guys next episode.